A water and fuel indicator is a warning light or message that appears on a vehicle's dashboard when water has been detected in the fuel system, usually in diesel engines. This is a serious issue because water can damage fuel injectors, forms rust in fuel components, reduce engine performance, or even cause engine failure if not addressed. Reasons for water in fuel. 1. Condensation in the fuel tank. This happens when moisture from the air can condense inside the fuel tank, especially during cold climate or temperatures. Second, contaminated fuel. Fuel purchased from a station with poor storage or handling practices may already contain water. Third, faulty fuel cap. A damaged or loose fuel cap can allow water, especially rain, to enter the fuel tank. Fourth, worn seals. Seals of in-tank fuel pump and level indicator can break apart as it ages, which cause water to leak into the fuel tank. Now here's what you should do if you see the warning light. 1. Drain the fuel water separator. Most vehicles have a drain plug or valve at the separator filter housing. Loosen the drain plug to bleed the water till you see fuel alone. 2. Replace the fuel filter. If the filter is saturated or old, replace it to prevent water from reaching injectors. 3. Drain and refill fuel tank. If the contamination is significant, completely drain the tank and refill it with clean fuel. Check for leaks or breaches, inspect fuel caps, vent lines, and seals for damage. Replace any damaged parts to prevent future water entry. 5. Use clean, trusted fuel sources. Avoid fueling from unverified suppliers or after fuel deliveries when sediment may be stirred up.